Up to finishing college, the way we learn is mainly through books, and we are taught to understand the information that it's available for us. So all those older scientists before us did experiments and already figure certain things out, then we just learn. So to do research, we have to sort of switch this idea of trying to find the answers. The research is to try to find the right questions to ask. So that change in the thought process is a critical part. My name is Taeko Noah. I'm at Hogan Lab. We're part of the experimental pathology at University of Michigan. As a cellular biologist, I'm interested in how biology leads to pathogenesis. So I don't have any, disease preferences. I'm interested in all the diseases, and I want to know how that happens and then fix it. In the Hogan Lab, we study various inflammatory diseases in the gut. My role is to focus on studying food allergy, which is one of the inflammatory GI diseases. Current research, I looked at how food allergen translocate across the intestinal epithelium in a food allergic context. What I mean by is that when food allergic patient, when they consume food that they're allergic to, they get reactions. And we know from the clinical and experimental studies that there are certain immune cells and also antibodies that are involved to drive that the bad reaction to food. But what we don't know is once the food goes into the patient's mouth, how that food crosses the intestinal epithelium and then reaches the immune cells that are residing underneath. So that's what I'm trying to understand, molecularly how that happens, which cell type takes up these allergen and induce the bad allergic reactions. So one of the reasons that I'm in research track is because I truly enjoy interaction with students or anybody in the lab setting. When I do stuff, when I do experiments, when I plan experiments, that's when I most learned, and that's when I love teaching others about science.